Hello friend, welcome back to my new video. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best digital microscopes on the market. This list is based on our personal opinions and considers factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. For prices and additional details about the products featured, make sure to check out the description below. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product review videos. Alright, let's jump into today's video. Number 5. Hewlett Digital Microscope. The Hewlett Digital Microscope is a reliable and powerful digital microscope designed for both amateur and professional use. It offers a high magnification range of 500x to 1500x, allowing for detailed examination of samples. The monocular draw tube provides a clear, single-eye view, while the 12MP HD camera captures sharp, vibrant images. The 7-inch HD LCD display provides a comfortable viewing experience. The microscope is portable and handheld, making it easy to transport and use in various settings. It has a wide range of viewing needs, from tiny organisms to larger specimens. It can operate on AC or DC power, ensuring versatility in different environments. The durable construction of the microscope is made from aluminum alloy, and it is CE certified, reflecting its compliance with European safety and environmental standards.
Number 4. Tomlov Digital Microscope. The Tomlov Digital Microscope, model DM9 Pro, is a versatile and reliable tool suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. It boasts a magnification ratio of 500x to 1500x, enabling users to explore intricate details, making it ideal for tasks like electronics, biological specimens, or jewelry analysis. The binocular drawtube design provides a natural perspective, reducing eye strain. The Tomlov DM9 Pro also offers high-definition video capability, allowing real-time viewing and recording for presentations or sharing discoveries. The handheld and portable design makes it easy to take on the go. The microscope is built from durable metal, ensuring longevity and confidence in its performance. It also meets high safety and quality standards, holding a CE certification, ensuring its reliability.
Number 3. Andenstar AD210 Digital Microscope. The Andenstar AD210 is a reliable digital microscope that offers high-definition imaging and user-friendly features. Its magnification ratio of 260x allows for detailed examination of samples, while its monocular design ensures a comfortable viewing experience. The 2-megapixels HD sensor captures sharp, vibrant images, ensuring accurate analysis and documentation. The microscope supports real-time video output with a maximum frame rate of 30 frames per second, making it easier to capture moving samples or conduct live observations. It supports a maximum photo resolution of 12 megapixels, 4032 by 3024, and records videos in AVI format for easy playback and sharing. The AD210 is powered by a USB 5V DC source, making setup easy. Its compact size and lightweight package weight of 1.8 kilograms make it easy to carry for fieldwork or take to different locations. The microscope comes with essential certifications, including CE, FCC, and RoHS, ensuring its quality and safety. Number 2. REVBCAU Digital Microscope. The REVBCAU Digital Microscope is a versatile tool for professionals and hobbyists, offering a magnification ratio of 500x to 1500x. It delivers high-definition images, capturing every minute detail, making it suitable for various applications. The monocular drawtube design allows for easy viewing and focusing, reducing eye strain. The handheld and portable design makes it convenient for use in labs or field settings. The REVBCAU is compatible with various smart devices, ensuring seamless data transfer and viewing. The lightweight aluminum alloy construction ensures durability. The microscope is CE, FCC, and RoHS certified, ensuring safety and compliance with international standards. Its versatile applications include education, research, and hobbyist pursuits like stamp collecting or mineral analysis. Number 1. Have DM9 Digital Microscope. The Have DM9 Digital Microscope is a versatile tool for exploring the microscopic world with precision. Its sleek aluminum alloy construction and portable design make it suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. It offers a high magnification range of 500x to 1500x, allowing for detailed examinations. The monocular draw tube provides a comfortable viewing experience, allowing for easy adjustments and extended use. The microscope also features high-definition imaging, ensuring crisp and clear observations. The DM9 is handheld and portable, making it easy to use in various settings. It also incorporates advanced video microscopy technology, allowing users to connect with cameras and other imaging devices. The DM9 is certified with CE, FCC, RoHS, and WEEE, ensuring its safety and environmental standards. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.